There are two main ways of the cross in Lourdes. The upper or high stations weave their way along the 1.5 kilometre steep climb along the Espelug mountain to the left of the sanctuary. The entrance to this way of the cross can be found across the street from the gate leading to the crypt and the upper basilica. Monseigneur Laurence, who was Bishop of Tarbes and Lourdes at the time of the apparitions, requested the purchase of this land in 1869 with the intention of creating either a way of the cross or a way of the rosary on the mountain. The original way of the cross was made from simple wooden crosses. Between 1899 and 1912, the current way of the cross was designed and created by La Famille Raphael in Paris. It comprises of 115 bronzed cast iron statues representing Jesus and Mary, as well as other familiar characters from the path of Calvary. Since the beginning of this project, Pope Leo XIII accorded a special indulgence to those who pray the way of the cross on the Espelug mountain. There are 15 stations in all along the mountain, the 15th station representing the resurrection, and it is found as we descend the mountain. To the right of the first station, we see a set of steps representing the Scala Santa in Rome. The Roman Scala Santa is believed to be the original staircase from Pilate's palace in Jerusalem, which was shipped to Rome at the request of Constantine's mother Helena. Just a few days before Pope John Paul II arrived in Lourdes in 1983, the statue of Pontius Pilate at the first station was blown up in a terrorist attack. The low stations of the cross, or the way of the cross on the prairie, are situated across the river from the baths. These stations provide an opportunity for those with reduced mobility and the sick and suffering to follow in the footsteps of Jesus on the way to Calvary and beyond. The magnificent statues were sculpted from almost 100 tons of Carrara marble by Maria de Faicod, a Hungarian sculptor now based in France. It took Miss de Faicod 5 years to complete this project, with the final statues being blessed by 2008 to commemorate the 150th anniversary of the apparitions. There are 17 statues in all, each one generously donated by faithful pilgrims to Lourdes. The 6th station, Veronica Wipes the Face of Jesus, was kindly donated by the National Conference of Great Britain. While we are all familiar with the first 14 stations, this way of the cross continues the journey, and we meet Mary awaiting the resurrection at the 15th station, the resurrection at the 16th station, and we finish with the risen Jesus revealing himself to the disciples on the road to Emmaus. Miss de Faicod regularly visits Lourdes as she supervises the cleaning and maintenance of these magnificent works of art.